What it is, what it be, it's your girl Unique Marie, and I'm back with another banger. Alright, y'all. Tonight, a real simple night. Nacho night. Nacho night. If y'all haven't tried to cook y'all nachos this way, y'all need to try. I got, as y'all can already see, shrimp, fajita meat, ground beef, and I'm gonna eat it with these. I guess I took too long because the kids, they didn't fell asleep. So they're not gonna be a part of this video. They'll eat some tomorrow though. They'll eat some tomorrow. Ooh, look at this. Look at that. Oh, look at that, y'all. Oh. So I'm gonna put this right there. I'm gonna put this right there. And I'm finna eat. I'm gonna add me some pico. Put this on top. Some lettuce. Put some of that on top. Not too much though. And some sour cream. Put this on top. Wow. It is March. What's today? March what? What's today?
March 3rd, huh?
March 3rd. This month is the month, y'all. I'm doing a giveaway this month. So I need y'all to get ready. Cause it's gonna go down.
Like
I want
you would a
some.
dirt bike.
I got me a spoon right here. Ooh, this is so good. Got my water. And y'all, I'm rocking my real hair. Those that don't know, y'all know I normally have that wig on. But I said, I need to let my hair breathe. Maybe like a week or two ago, maybe like 2 weeks ago, I got it cut. So, the cheese is just right. I'm wasting stuff. But y'all, I can barely talk this. Baby, these nachos is better than Nachos. I got shrimp in now. These loaded. They loaded. They loaded. If y'all like nachos, comment down below. Let me know how y'all like how y'all fix y'all nachos. Get out. Y'all, the kids getting ready for spring break. I don't have nothing planned for them, but I'm gonna do something with them. I'm gonna do something with them. They over there sleep. Look at that. Oh my God. This the meal. This the meal right here. This is the meal. And that cheese is like, it's right on point. It ain't too watery. It ain't too thick. It's right on point. I'm gonna put this. Let me let y'all see how it look. That's nachos, baby. That is nachos. You really, you can just dip it, you know? You can dip it. But this was so good. So good. So good. so good. So good, yeah, so good. Yeah, a little some quick little meal tonight, you know, nothing major. Man, you know what? I done ate. I knew I was missing some of that spice. I forgot my peppers. Oh well. Oh well. It's time for me to go to the nail shop. I'm really trying to let my hands, my nails breathe a little bit before I go back. Because you know it's really not good to get them back to back like that. Not let them breathe. But yeah, so this is what my night consists of. Nachos. Kids that took their baths. They sleep. They've been snacking since they got out of school. Got a big day ahead tomorrow. Got some appointments to go to. And some things to do. But that's it. But yeah, so about this giveaway, y'all. My last giveaway, a guy won. He was happy, he was proud. I did a video on that. And it's that time again to do another one. So I'll be doing a giveaway this month. I don't know the exact day yet, but the date rather, but it's this month. So I'm trying to get everything together, and I'll be announcing it and just letting y'all know. And whoever wins, they win. But yeah, so y'all, it's been a long time coming with the YouTube journey and stuff like that. I'm very thankful, very blessed, because I had no idea my channel would basically sprout, you know, grow like it did. Because when I started back in 2017, I got discouraged basically and just gave up. But then starting again in 2021, it's like, look at me now. You know, I'm doing very well. I'm thankful. I appreciate everybody that that even think about liking, think about watching, thinking about telling a friend, all that good stuff. I thank y'all so much. Because what we have to learn and start doing is giving support, showing support. Everybody wants support. Everybody wants people to rock with them, but they don't give it. So it's like, why would I support you and you're not supporting me? You know, it's crazy to think like that, but that's just the world we live in. So support. Everybody, every chance you get. Support. Because you never know when it's your turn. But yeah, I thank y'all. And y'all stay tuned for this big giveaway. I'm finna go ahead and close this video. Yeah, I keep playing in my hair because I'm just loving it. It's been about 3 weeks now since I got it done, and it still looks good. And I'm natural, so I'll be out there delivering that mail. I keep it wrapped up when I'm at work. But yeah, that's it. So thank y'all. I love y'all. And I'll see y'all tomorrow. I'll be dropping something tomorrow. Maybe a cooking video, maybe a vlog, maybe, you know, just talking, something. I don't know. But I'll see y'all in the next one.